Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys, because on this channel we discuss various ways on how you can make money online. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this idol that can let you earn online, and it's called snappa.com. So what is the work of Snappa? So you can literally upload your template online and you earn for it guys. So that is just the work of Snappa. So now let's take a look at the website together. So as you can see here, social media posts, whether Facebook posts, Facebook link, Instagram post, and all. So all these things are templates. So you can literally upload your templates and earn. So now let's check out Facebook post. So you're going to see tons of templates right here. So you can literally use this template to create your video. So you can also upload your own template like all these people, and when someone uses your template, you can literally earn for it guys. So there are free version that you don't need, like people don't literally need to pay. So that means those ones are free, so you won't be paying. But there are some paid ones that you will have to pay to use them. So those paid ones are those people getting paid using Snappa guys. So you can also list yours and then use them guys. So when someone uses your templates, you will get paid for it. You can see these are beautiful template guys. So that's just how it works guys. So as you can see here, there's also a YouTube thumbnail, and YouTube thumbnail is like the highest most selling niche right now, because there are a lot of YouTubers online guys. So you can literally create a YouTube thumbnail guys and you will earn for it. So that's just how it works. So now let us scroll down. As you can see here, these are tons of YouTube thumbnails guys. As you can see here, these are catchy thumbnails. You see how beautiful they look guys. So you can also create all these thumbnails and then you list them on Snappa. So anybody that uses them, then you get paid for it. So that's just how it works guys. So if you are good with graphic design or anything like that, you can literally earn money using Snappa. So that's just how it works guys. So if you have any more questions, you can drop it in the comment section. As you can see here, says header, banner and profile page. So you see anything guys, see LinkedIn, Twitch, everything, Twitch cover image, sound, banner, profile, Twitter. You see, if you are good and you know how to design any of these things guys, what you just need to do is design and list them on Snappa, and that's all guys. So now let's go to Upgrade now to check their prices. You can see here is a starter plan. This is a free version, and there is a pro version which costs $10 per month, and here is another one costs $20 per month, and these are what you will have access to guys. And say one user 6,000 plus template, 5 million HD photos, unlimited downloads per month, buffer, social media integration. So these are for people that want to use your template. So if someone uses pro version, then you will earn from them guys. And if someone uses Team, so you earn more because person uses Team to access your template guys. So that's just how it works guys. So if you have any more questions, like I said, drop it in the comment section, and thank you for watching. See you next time.